Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to request payment on Wise. To request payment on Wise, you could generate a payment link or send an invoice through the website or the payment as well. So here what you have to do is first thing launch open your Wise application. Select request on the home screen of your Wise account. After that, what you need to do is select the currency, or else you could just go ahead and send the payment link as well by going to the payment section in the left hand side corner and go to payment link. Likewise, as I was talking about sending the request itself, so go to the request section and go to your currency balance and select receive. As you do it so, then you want to navigate to payment tab and select payment request. Now then, what you need to do is if a person you're requesting money from is on Wise, select them from your contact. And for non-Wise user, you want to go ahead and select anyone to create a payment link. Then this is how you could go ahead, and you'll need to enter the amount, currency and description for the payment as well, all that. And once you've actually done it so, you could create a detailed invoice with your payment details and due date as well. And you could choose the payment method you want to enable from the link, such as bank transfer or direct Wise payment. And this way you'll have successful request payment on Wise. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.